I think you can build it in a couple of different ways. I think the sustainability, on a buyback program, the sustainability angle is useful and a good starting point because you're then but you're giving the customer arguments to why you're buying back the products and for them to sell them back. So that's a good starting point. Secondly, I think from a retail point of view, the material flow is important. You get to own or access the material from your side. If you have a good way of dealing with that material and putting it on the market again or reproducing, you're cutting your costs on raw material and production. From a consumer point of view, we've talked about that before, but the consumers are ready. They want this. So for them, it's convenience. They don't need to pile things up in their basement or anywhere in where they're living. They can access the services and the products when they need it without owning it. They have a lower fee for the usage per month than if you need to sort of cash up everything from the beginning. And then, if it's only a pure buyback, I think that's the things that I would sort of market or communicate to the customers. Convenience, access the products when you need it, the services, the sustainability angles, and from an internal point of view, the retailer would also see the material flow as a benefit.